student, in IPSC nomenclature, today we will discuss IPSC naming of cyclocompound. Cyclo means cyclic compound. For the naming of cyclocompound, dear students, selection of PCC. How to select PCC? PCC means parent carbon chain. How to select parent carbon chain? Dear student, the same priority order which are you studied in previous lecture are similar. The higher priority, the priority order is higher priority. Priority of principal functional group is greater than priority of multiple bond is greater than number of carbon atoms greater than substituent. Same order apply here. Numbering of PCC, parent carbon chain. Same concept apply here. Firstly, the numbering start from, for numbering give the priority principal functional group. If functional group is not present, then give the priority multiple bond. If multiple bond and functional group both are present, then you give the priority principal functional group, okay, and then substituent. Okay, student. Dear student, in IPSC naming of cyclic compound are given by prefixing cyclo before their parent chain. When you give the nomenclatures of organic cyclo-organic compound, then you firstly put cyclo word before the parent carbon chain. Parent carbon chain means word. As I write here the number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 carbon. So write the name. Firstly, cyclo for cyclic chain. Cyclo. Number of carbon 5. So write here pentane. The name of this compound cyclopentane. Now here number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of carbon 6. For the cyclic compound, write by firstly cyclo. Then for 6 carbon, cyclo for cyclic compound. For 6 carbon, hexane. The name of this compound cyclohexane. Okay, student. Now discuss another example here. Here a cyclic chain and open chain both are present. In case of cyclic and open chain compound, firstly you count number of carbon in open chain and number of carbon in cyclic compound. Dear student, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon here. Don't count this carbon in open chain because this carbon present in cyclic chain. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Dear student, you observe here number of carbon in open chain is 5, whereas number of carbon in cyclic chain is 4. That means in cyclic chain number of carbon is less than number of carbon in open chain. Dear student, when in counting a chain contain larger number of carbon, then give the priority of the chain. Okay. So here we use cyclic chain as a substituent. So first we write the name of substituent and counting start from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. At the first position here cyclo. First cyclo. How many carbon? 4 carbon. Cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. Here butane are not used because it treated as substituent. So write here butyl. Cyclobutyl, and here 5 carbon pentane. So name of this compound first cyclobutyl pentane. Okay. Now count here 1, 2, 3 carbon in open chain. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon in cyclic chain. The number of carbon in cyclic chain is greater than open chain. So cyclic chain treated as PCC, whereas open chain treated as substituent. So numbering start from where the substituent get lowest number. So counting start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbon 4 carbon, and substituent is have 1, 2, and 3 carbons. Substituent have 3 carbons, so write here at the first position, first propyl. First propyl is the substituent here, and PCC is cyclobutane. Okay, student. First propyl cyclobutane is the name of this compound. Now write the name of this compound. For the writing the name, firstly count the carbons present here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbon 4. When number of carbons in open chain and number of carbon in cyclic chain both are similar, then cyclic chain treated as PCC and open chain treated as substituent. Okay, student. So for the writing the name, count here 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbon 4, but here 1, here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Number of carbon in substituent 4 carbon. So write here at the first position, first butyl. The name of this substituent first butyl, and the cyclic chain name cyclo. Number of carbon butane. Cyclobutane is the name of this compound. 1-butyl cyclobutane. Okay. For the naming of this compound, dear student, here number of carbon in open chain 1 carbon. 1 carbon attached with the OH group, and here a cyclic chain. Dear student, you know that cyclo is a prefix, means substituent. Here OH is a suffix, means principal function group. You know that the priority of principal function group is greater than multiple bond and substituent in selection of PCC and numbering of PCC in both. So give the priority of function group. So we count only the carbons. We count the carbon as PCC. We treated here open chain as a PCC, parent carbon chain. So here this cyclic chain treated as substituent. So the name of this cyclic chain is this chain joined with first position. So right here first cyclo, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. So right here hexyl, first cyclohexyl, and here number of carbon 1. So right here methane, at this carbon join with OH. OH is all. So name of compound 1-cyclohexyl methanol. Okay, student. Now here student, here 1, 2 carbon, here 1 carbon. Dear student, in open chain only 1 or 2 carbons are present, but in cyclic chain 6 carbon are present. So cyclic chain treated as PCC, and this carbon is treated as substituent. If this and this carbon treated as substituent, here 1, 2, so ethyl. Here 1 carbon, so methyl. Here ethyl, here methyl. The numbering start from where the substituent get the lowest number. If we start counting 1 from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1 and 5th position. But when counting start from here 1, 2, 3, then we get 1 and 3rd. You observe here when numbering start from here, we get 1, 3. Here 1, 5 is the wrong method, but 1, 3 is right method. So counting start from here. But when we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When we start from here 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3. When counting start from here, 1, 2, 3, then 1 and 3 at the first and third position substituents are present. But if substituents are present at the similar position, then numbering is start from the substituents which have substituent in the alphabetical order. Dear student, you know that here ethyl, then methyl, here methyl. Ethyl start from E, methyl start from M. The in alphabetical order, E come before the M. So counting start from here. The right counting, if you count from 1, 2, 3, it is wrong. Okay. So counting start from here. So number, writing firstly write the substituent name here at the first position, ethyl. At the third position, methyl. Now, numbering of carbon, 6 carbon. Cyclohexane is the name of this compound. 1 ethyl, third methyl, cyclohexane. Okay. Dear student, here pentagonal ring, 5 carbons ring, and with 5 carbon ring, chlorine and bromine are attached. For the numbering, lowest numbering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. At the first and third position, two substituents are present. But numbering start from where? From Cl or from Br? Dear student, Br means bromo, Cl means chloro. Chloro and bromo. Bromo B come before C in alphabetical order. So counting start from here 1, 2, 3. The name of this compound, firstly write the name of substituent at the first position, bromo, first bromo, third chloro, number of carbon 5. So write here cyclopentane. Dear student, name of this compound, first bromo, third chloro, cyclopentane. Now discuss here. Dear student, in this compound, a carboxylic group is present, C-double-OH group, that is carboxylic group. So for the writing the name here, we count the carbon. Dear student, here another method is that we counting start from we treated cyclic chain as a parent chain. Always remember this method. Start is treated as the we use a special suffix for this, and counting start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You know that when we leave the functional group which containing carbon, then we use a special suffix. Okay, so for writing the name, this compound right here, cyclohexane 1 carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane 1 carboxylic acid. We write here 1 carboxylic acid because the carbon of carboxylic acid is not counted in PCC. Okay, so we use a special suffix for C-double-OH. Dear student, here same example. Similarly, 1, 2 carbons, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here at the first and second position, carboxylic group are present, but we treated cyclic chain treated as PCC, and we leave the functional group carbon. So we use the special suffix for this naming of this compound. Here for cyclic chain, cyclohexane. Right here, cyclohexane, and for the functional group, first, second position. At the first, second position, dicarboxylic acid. Okay, student. So the name of compound cyclohexane 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Dear student, in this compound, next example. Dear student, in this compound, we observe here a function group and here multiple bond. You know that the priority of function group is greater than multiple bond. So counting start from where the function group get lowest number. Okay, student. If we counting start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you get 1 and 4th. At first and fourth. At first position function group and fourth position multiple bond. When counting from here, 1, 2, 3. So we get 1 and 3rd. You observe here. We follow the lowest numbering rule. If we use this method. So counting start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, student. So now counting. After the counting, write the name. Here parent chain is cyclic chain. So write the name cyclic chain. Cyclo H. X at the third position in. At the first position all. So name of this compound cyclohexane. Hex 3 in first all. It also write as. You know that the first position is not necessary, so representation. So right here cyclohex 3 in all. Okay, students. Now discuss here. Next example. Dear student, if we counting start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, then we obtain multiple bond at 1 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. At first and fourth position multiple bond. When we start counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4. We get again 4, 1 and 4. Okay, student. So right method is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now in cyclic chain number of carbon 6 carbon. So right here cyclo hex, cyclo for cyclic chain, hex for 6 number of 6 carbon. For multiple bond are present at the here. Yes, student, firstly you remember that here 2 multiple bond present. So here write or add a in word root because number more than 1 multiple bond present. So here cyclohexa multiple bond present at first and fourth position. The name of multiple bond ene. Number of multiple bond 2. So right here diene. The name of this compound cyclohexa 1,4-diene. Okay, student. Dear student, I think you understand about the accuracy naming of cyclo compound. In next lecture, we will discuss about aromatic compound, that is benzoate compound or benzene derivatives compound. Dear student, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook and solve the questions of NCERT part 2, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. Thank you very much.